Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of contemporary period. This is second part. In first part I have completed 15 questions. So these questions are very useful for competitive exam. इसी प्रकार के questions के लिए please like, share and subscribe Pankaj Institute of English. Press bell icon to get notification of new videos. So let's start question number 16. Novels such as A Gun for Sale, The Heart of the Matter and The Confidential Agent were written by. क्वेश्चन नंबर हमारा 16, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. So these four options are P.G. Wodehouse, option B Graham Greene, option C George Orwell, option D Henry Green. Henry Green. So which one is the correct answer? Graham Greene. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer of this. Now question number 17. Which of the following is a play by Graham Greene? ग्राहम ग्रीन के द्वारा लिखा हुआ कौन सा प्ले है? ऑप्शन ए द लिविंग रूम, ऑप्शन बी द पावर एंड द ग्लोरी, ऑप्शन सी द बर्न्ट आउट केस, ऑप्शन डी द मैन विद इन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए द लिविंग रूम. यानी लिविंग रूम, द लिविंग रूम इज ए प्ले बाय ग्राहम ग्रीन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Now question number 18. Which of the following is an autobiographical work of Graham Greene? इनमें से कौन सा वर्क जो है वो ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल है, यानी कि अपनी जीवनी के बारे में लिखा है उन्होंने. लाइफ स्टाइल ऑफ रिटन बाय हिमसेल्फ. तो कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए द ह्यूमन फैक्टर, ऑप्शन बी द प्लॉटिंग सेड, ऑप्शन सी वेज ऑफ escape and option D the pleasure dome. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is wage of escape. option C यानी कि wage of escape, wage of escape is an autobiographical work of Graham Greene. Now question number 19. During the Second World War, Graham Greene worked for the. During the Second World War, the Graham Greene worked for the. Option A Catholic Church, option B Home Department, option C Foreign Office and option D East India Company. So option C Foreign Office is the correct answer. Foreign Office is the correct answer. Now question number 20. Which of the following is a travel book written by Graham Greene? Which of the following is a travel book written by Graham Greene? Option A The End of the Affair, option B The Lawless Road, option C Our Man in Havana, option D Shades of Greens. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B The Lawless Roads is a travel book written by Graham Greene. Now question number 21. A Sense of Reality, which was published by Graham Greene in 1983 has. A Sense of Reality, which was published by Graham Greene in 1983 has. Graham Greene ने जो बुक पब्लिश की थी 1983 में A Sense of Reality, उसमें कितनी स्टोरीज थी? 12 स्टोरीज, ऑप्शन बी 8 स्टोरीज, ऑप्शन सी 4 स्टोरीज एंड ऑप्शन डी 9 स्टोरीज. सो A Sense of Reality, which was published by Graham Greene in 1983 has 4 stories. 4 stories. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 22. द प्लेजर ड्रीम बाय ग्राहम ग्रीन इज ए. द प्लेजर ड्रीम जो है ग्राहम ग्रीन के द्वारा क्या है? ऑप्शन ए फिल्म क्रिटिसिज्म, ऑप्शन बी रोमांटिक प्ले, ऑप्शन सी डिटेक्टिव स्टोरी, ऑप्शन डी हिस्टोरिकल नॉवल. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? द प्लेजर ड्रीम बाय ग्राहम ग्रीन इज ए फिल्म क्रिटिसिज्म. फिल्म क्रिटिसिज्म. ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन ए फिल्म क्रिटिसिज्म. ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 23. In which novel a girl wearing a scarlet sash means that she is member of the junior anti-sex league? Again listen the question. In which novel, किस नॉवल में एक लड़की है जो कि स्कारलेट पहनी हुई थी जिसका मतलब था शी इज़ अ मेंबर ऑफ जूनियर एंटी सेक्स लीग। ऑप्शन ए विलियम गोल्डिंग्स द इनहेरिटर। ऑप्शन बी आर.एल. स्टीवेंसन्स किडनैप्ड। ऑप्शन सी H.G. वेल्स द इनविजिबल मैन। ऑप्शन डी जॉर्ज ऑरवेल्स 1984। सो in which the correct answer is option D जॉर्ज ऑरवेल्स 1984। यानी कि जॉर्ज ऑरवेल्स 94 नॉवेल अ ग्रे गर्ल बियरिंग अ स्कारलेट that she is member of the junior anti-sex league. Now question number 24. George Orwell wrote a political satire on Stalinism and on a totalitarian state. Identify it. Again listen the question. George Orwell wrote a political satire on Stalinism and on totalitarian state. Identify. Option 4 are option A The Road to Vegan Fire. Option B Animal Farm. Option C Coming Up for Air. And option D A Clergyman's Daughter. So which one is the correct answer of 24? Option B Animal Farm is the correct answer. Option B Animal Farm is the correct farm. यानी कि Animal Farm George Orwell wrote a political satire on Stalinism. So option B is the correct answer. Now question number 25. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 है जॉर्ज ऑरवेल का 1984 इज ए और एन। जॉर्ज ऑरवेल्स का 1984 क्या है? ऑप्शन ए पिकारेस्क्यू नॉवल। ऑप्शन बी प्रोफेटिक नॉवल। ऑप्शन सी फैंटेसी। एंड ऑप्शन डी आर्केडियन नॉवल। सो ऑप्शन बी प्रोफेटिक नॉवल इज द करेक्ट आंसर। यानी कि जॉर्ज ऑरवेल्स 1984 इज a prophetic novel. Now question number 26. Which work of George Orwell was subtitled Socialism and the English Genius? Which work of the George Orwell was subtitled Socialism and the English Genius? Option A Coming Up for Air. Option B Inside the Whale. Option C Keep the SPD flying. And option D The Lion and the Unicorn. The Lion and the Unicorn. So the option D The Lion and the Unicorn is the correct answer. Means in the Lion and the Unicorn work of George Orwell was subtitled Socialism and the English Genius. Now question number 27. In which novel did George Orwell develop the dark theme of Aldous Huxley Brave New World? Option A 1984. Option B Animal Farm. Option C Homage to Catalonia. And option D Burmese Days. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is 1984. Option A is the correct answer. Dear friends, listen these questions again and again so that you can keep in your mind for a long period, and that will be important for you, that will be useful for you in your competitive exam. Now question number 28. George Orwell served in Burma police from 1992 to 1927 and resigned due to his dislike for. Very important question for competitive exams. Dear friends, ये क्वेश्चन है कि जॉर्ज ऑरवेल सर्व्ड इन बर्मा पुलिस। जॉर्ज ऑरवेल ने बर्मा पुलिस में वर्क किया था कहाँ? 1920 से 1922 टू 1927, लेकिन बाद में वहाँ पे रिज़ाइन कर दिया क्योंकि उन्हें पसंद नहीं था। क्या? ऑप्शन ए कंसेंट रिवेलियन ऑफ द लोकल पॉपुलेस। populace. Option B, snobbish attitude of the officers. Option C, British imperialistic operation, and option D, all the above. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is British. Option C, British imperialistic operation. Now question number 29. George Orwell could not enlist himself in the army. जॉर्ज ऑरवेल अपने आप को आर्मी की लिस्ट में नहीं कर सके ड्यूरिंग द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार बिकॉज ही वॉज रिजेक्टेड ऑन, क्योंकि उनको रिजेक्ट कर दिया गया था. ऑप्शन ए, मेडिकल ग्राउंड. कहाँ पे? ऑन मेडिकल ग्राउंड. ऑप्शन बी, अकाउंट ऑफ हिज शॉर्ट stature. Option C, account of his quarrelsome nature. Option D, account of his political ideas. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is George Orwell could not enlist himself in the army during the Second World War because he was rejected on medical ground. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 30. George Orwell worked as a literary editor of the Tribune from. The Tribune जो एडिटर है वो है जॉर्ज ऑरवेल वर्कड एज ए लिटरेरी एडिटर. ट्रिब्यून में लिटरेचर एडिटर के रूप में जॉन ऑरवेल ने काम किया था, वर्क किया था. कब? ऑप्शन ए 1942-1944. ऑप्शन बी 1943 to 1945. ऑप्शन सी 1944 to 1946. ऑप्शन डी 1945 to 1947. तो जितने भी ऑप्शन हैं सभी में 2 ईयर्स का टाइम है, तो यानी कि उन्होंने 2 ईयर्स वर्क किया था. कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है? ऑप्शन 1943 to 1945. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now dear friend, next question number 31. Which of the following is not a work of George Orwell? इसमें से कौन सा वर्क जो है जो जॉर्ज ऑरवेल का नहीं है? ऑप्शन A clergyman's daughter. Option B, coming up for air. Option C, inside the whale. And option D, the scorpion god. So which one is the correct answer? Which of the following is not work of George Orwell? कौन सा वर्क जो है जॉर्ज ऑरवेल का नहीं है? तो क्लर्जी मैन डॉटर ये है, वर्क है. ऑप्शन बी, कमिंग अप फॉर एयर, ये भी है. ऑप्शन सी, इनसाइड द वेल, दिस इज आल्सो वर्क ऑफ जॉर्ज ऑरवेल. ओनली ऑप्शन डी, द स्कॉर्पियन गॉड, इज नॉट वर्क ऑफ जॉर्ज ऑरवेल. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 32. Who wrote in his autobiographical memoir A Short of Life that success is only delayed failure? Who wrote in his autobiographical memoir A Short of Life that success is only a delayed failure? Option A, Evelyn Waugh. Option B, John Osborne. Option C, Graham Greene. Option D, Elizabeth Bowen. So which one is the correct answer? Option C, Graham Greene is the correct answer. Graham Greene, यानी कि ग्राहम ग्रीन wrote his autobiographical memoir A Short of Life and that success is only delayed failure. Question number 33. When did C.P. Snow get a baronet's life peerage? So these 4 options are here. Option A 1964, option B 1965, option C 1966, and option D 1967. So option A 1964 is the correct answer. Now question number 34. C.P. Snow was a junior minister. Question number 34. C.P. Snow was a junior minister from 1964 to 1966 in the Ministry सीपी स्नो वाज ए जूनियर मिनिस्टर। जो सीपी स्नो जो थे वो 1964 से 1966 तक मिनिस्टर थे। किस में? ऑप्शन ए पब्लिक अफेयर्स, ऑप्शन बी केमिकल एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स, ऑप्शन सी टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ऑप्शन डी फॉरेन अफेयर्स। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी टेक्नोलॉजी। Now question number 35. Against which novel of Graham Greene did the Hatton government bring a case in France claiming that it had damaged the Republic's tourist trade? These four options are: option A, the confidential agent, option B, the comedian, and option C, a burnt out case, option D, the heart of the hatter. So option B, the comedian, is the correct answer. Comedian is the correct answer. Now this is the second last question of this video. Dear friends, please like, share and subscribe. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन लगें तो इस चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए न्यू वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस के लिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. नेम द लेक्चर ऑफ सीपी स्नो दैट ही डिलीवर्ड एट द कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी विच वॉज रिटॉर्टेड एट बाई F.R. Lewis. Again question, name the lecture of C.P. Snow that he delivered at the Cambridge University which was retorted at by F.R. Lewis. Option A, Strangers and Brothers. Option B, The Corridors and Power. Option C, The Malcontents. And option D, The Two Cultures and the Scientific Revolution. Option D is the correct answer, The Two Cultures and the Scientific Revolution. This is the last question of this video, dear friends. C.P. Snow got married to Pamela Hansford Johnson. C.P. Snow got married to Pamela Hansford Johnson. She was A. C.P. Snow ने मैरिज की थी पामेला हैंसफोर्ड जॉनसन से, जो कि क्या थी? ऑप्शन ए डॉक्टर, ऑप्शन बी राइटर, ऑप्शन सी एक्ट्रेस, एंड ऑप्शन डी नर्स. सो C.P. Snow got married to Pamela Hansford Johnson. She was a writer. Option B is the correct answer. Answer B is the correct answer. So these are some important questions. Thank you for